ODAE, how tokenized assets operate over the long term. When markets talk about tokenization, the focus is often on opportunity and speed. But what truly determines whether tokenization works is not momentum, but a more fundamental question: can these assets operate sustainably over time? Stocks, funds, and real-world assets are entering on-chain systems in standardized forms. Tokenization is no longer just about going on-chain. As assets begin to exist over longer horizons, the market's focus shifts accordingly. Not how assets are issued, but how they are settled, regulated, and kept stable across different market cycles. This marks tokenization's transition into the infrastructure phase. Any financial asset is more than a single transaction. It must move through issuance, circulation, settlement, and regulation, while maintaining structural integrity over years of operation. If a system can only support token issuance, but cannot sustain long-term operation, it remains a technical demonstration, not a financial structure. ODAE focuses on enabling assets to operate across their full life cycle. A true tokenization platform is not defined by how fast it moves, but by how stable it remains in complex environments. ODAE's system design consistently centers on three questions. Does the system remain coherent when multiple asset classes operate in parallel? Do clearing and risk controls persist during market volatility? Can the structure adapt as regulatory conditions evolve? Stability is not a short-term metric. It is the result of long-term operation. As asset life cycles extend, emotion becomes an unreliable signal. The next phase of tokenization does not belong to those chasing short-term fluctuations, but to participants who understand structure and respect operational rhythm. ODAE's design philosophy is not to amplify emotion, but to reduce its impact on asset operation through rules, systems, and mechanisms. Tokenization is not a passing trend. It is a reconstruction of financial structure. What matters is not who enters first, but who can operate for the long term. ODAE, not a follower of trends, but a system builder for the long-term operation of tokenized assets.